Hi everybody, Ms. Lee here. In this video, we're going to be talking about a few different types of distribution. Of course, the most important distribution is normal distribution, as this lesson is called Introduction to Normal Distribution. But there are other ones that you need to be aware of, and so those are the ones that we're going to talk about in this video. So, skewed left is basically when you have your data set where there's like a tail to the left side or an outlier to the left side of your data. So, for example, a graph for your data may look something like this. Okay, and so as I said earlier, this is where you would have an outlier on the left. Your tail would also extend to the left. And in this situation, your mean is also going to be to the left of the median. Mean. Okay, and so just to kind of give a general idea of what this looks like, of course, your mode is going to be the highest point of your data. So the point where there's the most data, that's going to be your mode. Your median is going to be to the left of that. And then the mean is going to be to the left of that, because as we said, the mean is to the left of the median. So it's going to be mean, median, then mode. And then when you're skewed right, so going the other way, all of these will be basically backwards. So like I said earlier, your tail is going to be to the right now, and then your outlier is going to be to the right now, and then again, your mean is going to be to the right of the median this time. Okay, so the mode, of course, is at the highest point there, so that's the mode. And then the median is going to be to the right of that. And then the mean is going to be to the right of that. Okay, so written little there is the mean. And then we have uniform distribution. So for uniform distribution, this is going to be where your data set is pretty much level. So that means that most of the data is going to be about the same. So this basically means that there's the same amount of people or the same amount of stuff for each of the possibilities. So yeah, let's go ahead and talk about normal shape then. So the normal shape is going to be your bell-shaped curve. So those should be symmetrical. So this is supposed to be a symmetrical bell-shaped curve. And so we'll write that as a bell-shaped curve. Also, in this situation, the mean, median, and mode are all going to be right here in the middle. And so they're all going to be equivalent. Okay, and so we'll talk more about normal distributions in a future video. Please go ahead and do some practice on identifying the differences between each of these distributions. Happy day.